Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool right here, and basically what this is a 30cm frying pan that's used for sauteing. You can use it for baking. You can basically use it for almost any kind of situation. So if you see in the bottom right here, they mention how you can actually use it on all these different type of stovetop. So electric stovetop, a gas stovetop, and you can also use it on an induction cooktop as well. And from the brand right here, and they mention how they have the 3 layers of steel, if you can see right here. And if you turn it on the other side, you guys can see there's a bunch of features that's mentioned on here as well. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you open up the inside, you can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It's all well protected and everything. So like I mentioned, this is a 30cm frying pan, which is about 12 inches. You can see right here. So right here, they provide guys a quick starter guide to show you guys how to use it and how to maintain it. And they also explain like the different layers that's in here as well. So you can see right here are the 3 different layers that's included inside the product right here. But right here is the actual product. Let me actually take it out to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely feels and looks like a high quality stainless steel product. I definitely love this part right here because they have the option for you guys to hang it on somewhere if you guys want to. And then right here, they do have the little logo right here. And this is basically what the inside looks like. And the way how they designed the side right here definitely looks pretty awesome. They mentioned how it's a hammer design in terms of how they actually designed this part right here. So like I mentioned earlier, you can definitely use this for almost any kind of stovetop, whether it be electric stovetop, gas stovetop, induction cooktop, and the list goes on. And the way how they actually put it in the handle right here, it definitely gives you guys a very good grip if you guys want to hold like this. So if you guys want to pan fry stuff, if you guys want to bake stuff, you can definitely do all of that on here. If you guys can hear the material inside, it definitely feels like a high quality material. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. Now let me actually bring it over to the stove top to show you guys how it works and where it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the pan right here. Let's test it out. So when we use the handle right here, it definitely feels really nice. It doesn't give you guys a very good grip when you guys use it. Only thing that I wish that this product had was like a lid, so that way it can actually cover up the top part and prevent all like the oil from spraying all over the place. But other than that, the actual product itself definitely works pretty well, if you can see right here. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that she does work and actually quite well. Super easy to use. The overall product definitely works really well. But one thing to remember is that when you guys do use the product, depending on what kind of utensils you are using, it's not scratch resistant. So if that's an issue for you guys, then that's something to kind of consider, but I don't think it's a huge issue. Using stainless steel products are actually much healthier for you guys to cook stuff on anyways. But if you see from the video, the product definitely works really well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality stainless steel frying pan that's used for baking stuff, for frying stuff. If you guys want to stir fry stuff, you can definitely do all of that on here. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want, or don't need one, or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.